Hi, welcome to the eWay-CRM Industry Template Walkthroughs. My name is Ernest, and today we're going to look at the changes we've made inside of our manufacturing template. Let's dive in. I'm going to be working today inside of eWay-CRM Online, but these changes also are reflected in eWay-CRM Desktop. I guess now is a good time to note, I'm not doing a deep dive into the usage of eWay-CRM today. Today, this is going to be more of a focus on the customizations that have been made. So starting at the beginning, our contacts form is completely unchanged. So those are going to match the default contacts that you find in your standard eWay-CRM. The first changes come for us inside of the company. Opening up a company card, you're going to see that we've added a type field. The type field allows us to set what type of company this is for us. Are they a supplier, a prospect, or a customer? When we select prospect now, we get the option to select their core business. Are they a manufacturer, a converter, or a distributor? This is a multi-select dropdown, so you can pick everything they do for you. And this is also completely customizable. If you want to change those core businesses or add, subtract, no problem at all, that can be done. The big changes here really happen inside of deals and projects. That's where the money's made, so let's head that direction. I'm going to click on deals, and as you can see here, we are looking at a basic deals sales pipeline. Let's open up this one and look at some of our updates. First thing to note is going to be the workflow. The workflow has been customized quite a bit. We now have a stage called samples, if samples are needed to be sent out. Additionally, the closed one has been turned into converted to project. Here within the deals, we now also have this custom field supplier. This is a referral field. So this is referring back to the companies inside of eWay-CRM. So we can have now several companies involved in this deal. Not only the company that we are selling to, but also to the supplier company. All be linked so everything is contained. Once the sale has been made and your team has coordinated and worked things through this pipeline, we then convert it to a project for the delivery side. Quickly looking here, this is where we create tasks, building the proposal. This is where we create journals, calls where we take notes. So we're going to use our deals to gather all of that information to keep everything organized as it works through our pipeline. The bulk of our changes happen in projects, and that's where we're heading next. Here inside of our projects, we have created several different types. Production. Once that sale is made, we need to now produce what we've created. Let's open that up, and you'll see this type is production. We have a workflow here that's going to walk us through that process of, having, once the sale is made, once they become customers, getting this through until we've completed it. New fields here, we have this actual end date field, and the type is here. Again, we will be able to see all of our communication. Here's that journal I've had with Emma. She's confirmed our details and given us permission to begin. So let's close that. The next type of project is going to be installation. If there is, once everything has been produced, perhaps there's an installation component. If so, we have a new installation workflow. This is all changed with the type field here. And here we add this custom field location. Where is this installation going to happen? You can add that in this text field. Next type of project we've created is a service project. Maybe you have annual service contracts with these folks. Maybe there is something that needs repaired. We have this type of service with a workflow. And if there is an annual renewal, we have a renewal date field that we've added. Finally, we have a complaint type. Complaints happen. It's part of life. Here we know what we need. As you can see here, I had a journal where we reviewed the purchase order and there was an error in their side. And we've completed this type. But again, these projects allow you now to keep track of communication, emails, journals, phone calls, tasks, and keep them all contained within the project. And we do have different types of projects allowing us to now start separating those. That is the bulk of our updates here. It's hopefully this is helpful with you and your manufacturing business with some of these customizations at no charge to you, help you work a little bit more effectively. I hope you have a great day, and I'll look forward to working with you again soon. Cheers.